In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot and Slack. This is a simple setup that helps bring your communication and customer activity closer together so your team can stay updated without constantly switching between platforms. We'll be doing this directly from Slack, and the process only takes a few minutes if you follow along carefully. To get started, open Slack and look for the section called Agents and Apps. This is where Slack keeps app-related tools and integrations. So if you want to connect another platform like HubSpot, this is the right place to begin. Once you're there, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage more than one. Next, click on Connect Apps. This will bring you into the area where Slack allows you to discover and manage integrations. If you don't immediately see everything on screen, just give yourself a second to scan the menu. Slack's layout can vary slightly depending on your account view, but the options should still be easy to find. After that, click on Browse All Apps. This opens the Slack app marketplace, where you can search through available integrations. This step is important because it takes you from the basic app connection area into the full library of apps that can be installed into your workspace. Once you're in the marketplace, click into the search bar and type in HubSpot. As you type, Slack should begin showing matching app results. Look for the official HubSpot app so you're selecting the correct integration. When you find HubSpot, click on Install. This tells Slack that you want to begin the setup process for that app. Depending on your workspace permissions, you may need approval from an admin before moving forward, so keep that in mind if the button behaves differently on your account. From there, click Add to Slack. This is the step that actually starts connecting HubSpot to your Slack workspace. At this point, Slack may open a permissions page or redirect you to continue the authorization process. Just follow the prompts on screen to allow the integration and complete the connection. And that's it. Once you've added HubSpot to Slack, you're ready to continue with any account authorization or notification settings that appear next. As a quick tip, after installation, it's a good idea to confirm the integration is active in your apps list so you know everything went through successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.